Welcome to Spearmix TV. So, for today's vlog ay maglalaro muna tayo guys. Ayan, so pahinga muna tayo sa kakagala. So, kaya tayo ay maglaro muna ng Tong Eats. Let's get it on guys! So, itong Tong Eats na to, ito ay online. So, meron kayo ditong free money every time na magla-login kayo. At meron din itong mga prices, pero it depends on yours. So, every time na magla-login ako, meron akong 30,000 free coin. Oh my, wait, it's better this one. Alright.
What's taking you so long, man?
Yes, and then sige, ito na lang.
Do you need this card?
Ayan, so mag-love shoutout RJ and G Amante for my
Sapo!
opponent. Ay, opponent ba tawag doon? Yung mga kalaban.
Well played.
So, makikipaglaro lang tayo sa kanila, no? Oh, okay, fine.
All I need is this.
Ayan. So, pwede na tayong fight pag hindi tayo nasapawan, guys. So,
Chapeau.
Alright. Sa mga viewers ko, mag-love shoutout everyone. Hindi ko na kayo iisa-isahin pa, but I love you all, guys.
Do you need this card?
Thanks, buddy.
So, nice game. So, tayo ay Tong Eat na. Yay!
Win Tongits!
Congratulations to me. Ayan. So, nanalo ako. Ang beat pala ng...
You win!
So,
You are a hitter now! Congrats!
I hope you enjoyed this game, guys. At kung gusto niyo maglaro ng ganito, I'm not, hindi ko pinopromote, pero I want to say na mag-i-enjoy ko.
Hurry up! Hurry up!
Naku, pangit yata yung card ko ngayon, Come on!
Fantastic!
So, Jojo and G Amante. Ayan.
Sapo!
Lumabas yung kalaban natin. Wala na yan.
Fantastic!
So, sa akin guys,
All I need is this.
talagang ibaba yung mga malalaking card para lumiit yung aking cards at pwede na akong fight. Just
Do you need this card?
let us try.
Chapeau.
Ayan. So,
Come on, man.
sa mga mahilig mag-tong eat dyan, swak na swak. Ayan.
Fantastic!
Alright. So, sige. Ano guys, sa palagay niya, mag-fight na ba tayo? I have 14 na lang on my card. So, kung 6 cards siya. I-fight natin guys.
Dare to challenge?
Try natin.
Fold.
Ayan, nag-fold na. Ito na lang isa. What do you think?
Come on, man. Fold.
Again, yeah. Nanalo tayo guys. At
You win!
Oh god, you got pot money!
Alright. And every game guys ay meron kayong makukuhang bonus. Sige, muna natin iba pa.
Do you need this card?
Well played.
Nice job. Sa pawan mo.
Sapo!
Tingnan natin. Ayan. Kagaya nito guys, oh. May extra gift tayo kapag ka tayo may mga good moves. Oh. Let's try this.
Fantastic!
Dare to challenge?
Hold tayo guys. Masyadong malaki yung card mo.
Fold.
Fold.
Natalo tayo this time. But anyway, victory rush. Number 1 po tayo, guys. Ayan, sabay layas siya, o, diba? Binawi. Ayan. Nag-love siya. Okay,
You're having a special meld.
at kay Jojo pa din. Ayan.
Well played.
Fantastic!
Chapeau.
Let's try.
Chapeau. Fantastic.
Oh.
All I need is this.
Oh. Don't eat pa yata.
Dare to challenge?
Challenge.
Challenge!
Challenge record na lang pala si Kuya. Ay, sayang. Talo na naman tayo, guys. Ayan, second place para dun sa victory rush. Ayan, sana
Do you need this card?
actually, itong game na to ay nilalaro ko lang to kapag hindi ako busy at hindi din ako alam niyo yun, pag nabubulong ako.
Fantastic.
Ayun. Ba ako na yung queen ko mamaya.
Sapo!
No, not necessary.
Do you need this card? Chapeau. Come on, guy.
Sapo!
Fantastic!
All I need is this.
Sapo!
Chapeau.
OMG!
Win Tongits.
Wow! Congratulations! Talo na naman tayo. Ayan. So actually guys, nilalaro ko tong games na to tapos pinapaubos ko lang din yung pera ko kasi the next time na ako ay mag-login ulit, automatically mag-release ng 3 coins na pwede kong gamitin para makapaglaro. So, kaya sabi ko, this is for my, ano lang, libangan. So, kaya, yung free coins ko, inuubos ko lang din.
Fantastic!
Oh, shucks. Alright. Thank you.
All I need is this. Chapeau.
Try nating
Dare to challenge?
try nating mag-fight, guys.
Challenge!
Wow.
Fold.
Nice one. Yes!
You win!
Guys, kinabahan ako doon, Anyway, first place.
You are a hitter now. Congrats.
And go pa rin tayo. So, actually, hindi ako ganun kagaling maglaro nito. Minsan,
Do you need this card?
pero yung mga technique, hindi pa rin ako masyadong ano sa mga ganyan.
All I need is this.
Oh,
Sapo.
Come on, guy.
Do you need this card?
nag-car na lang sana.
Chapeau.
Do you need this card?
Ayan, medyo mahina yung internet natin, guys. Talo yata tayo.
Chapeau. Do you need this card? Chapeau.
Shabu. Ba't may shabu? Sapaw.
Sapo.
Come on, man. Chapeau.
Ay, bakit yun?
The last card was just picked up.
Dapat yung 10 eh. Oho. Oho. Talo tayo this time, guys. First place pa rin tayo sa rush. Ayan. Dahil meron tayo. Oh, medyo mahina internet.
What's taking you so long, man?
And actually guys, pag naglaro tayo nito, dapat medyo malakas din yung internet natin kasi naglo-load talaga siya kapag ka ano. So, good luck sa atin. Diba? So, sige.
Come on, guy. Ciao.
Sapo!
So, may magtapo ng king.
Do you need this card?
Hurry up! Hurry up!
Perfect.
Sapo! Ciao!
Mag-fight na tayo, guys.
Challenge.
Perfect.
You win. You are a hitter now. Congrats.
Tapos, kung hindi enough yung coins mo, yung gold mo, ma-pick out ka sa table. So, as long as na may coins ka.
Do you need this card? Well played.
Well played!
King.
What take you so long, guy?
Sandali lang, kasi nga mahina nga internet.
Pizza uno kayo, pizza uno. Gani.
Chapeau. Do you need this card?
Hapit na.
Chapeau. Thanks, buddy.
Sapo!
Come on, guy. Chapeau. Chapeau.
Ayan, nakikita mo na mahina yung internet nyo, guys, kapag ka, kapag ka mayroong parang,
Hurry up, hurry up.
no, sign ng wifi na nagre-reflect dun sa taas. So, ganyan.
Sapo!
Ay, bakit yung 6? Kasi, ang internet ko ba? Mahina talaga internet natin.
You are a hitter now. Congrats!
What's taking you so long, man? Chapeau. Come on, guy.
Do you need this card?
Chapeau. Chapeau.
Sapo!
Wow.
Do you need this card?
Wala ko tong ito siya.
Sapo!
What's taking you so long, man? The last card was just picked up. Chapeau!
Good luck. Good luck. Ayan. Oho. Panalo siya kasi diamond yung kanyang dos. And dyan sa akin. Anyway. That's fine.
Come on, guy.
Do you need this card?
What take you so long, guy?
Do you need this card?
Ibaba natin siya guys para pag nasa power
Hurry up, hurry up!
8, may lapag natin ang web. Ayan, so yun. Oh my god.
Chapeau! Do you need this card?
Ang problema guys kapag yung internet ninyo hindi malakas kasi kapag ka nadidelay ka ng baba, yung computer yung nagbababa ng ano nila.
Come on, guy. Chapeau!
Do you need this card? The last card was just picked up.
Sayang guys, yung 9 sana pwede natin isapaw, no? But anyways. Ayan, mahirap. Oh, ito na naman. Ayan guys, so that's it. At magkita-kita tayo on my next vlog. So sa ngayon ay okay. At para na rin tayong
Do you need this card?
para na din tayong nag-live dahil sa haba ng ating video. Anyway, nakaka-enjoy naman din talaga kasi siyang laruin. Kaya ganun. So, stop ko muna siya.
Come on, man.
Magkita-kita tayo muli on my next vlog. So, this is your DJ Safia, and welcome sa aking channel, Safia Mix TV. Thank you for watching. Sa mga hindi pa po naka-subscribe, mag-subscribe na po kayo at pindutin lamang ang bell button to be updated on my latest video. Thank you everyone. I love you all.